Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. You know, back, baby, with another video. Thank y'all for coming kicking it with your boy Q today, guys. So I'm at the car wash, as y'all can see, red. So a lot of y'all ask me what I use to wash my truck, how I wash my truck, what I use for my wheels, all that stuff, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and do a detail wash video for y'all, how I wash my truck. Not a detail wash, but how I wash my truck, what I use, how I do it. So yeah, it's gonna be that video today. So without further ado, here we go. Wait, hold on. Why did I just do peace? I'm tripping. I'm talking peace. Here we go. Here we go. Before we get this video started, guys, you see the truck behind me. If you like the truck, you like come kicking it with me, guys, go ahead. Follow me on Instagram right there, guys. I am very active on Instagram, like super active. So you want to see the pictures? I got some nice pictures. I paid to get taken of the truck. You can see kind of what I do today. I go to the gym almost every day. I post a lot of stuff when we out and about. Go follow me on Instagram. And also, if you watch the video, man, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, guys. I think like 90% of people who watch my videos aren't subscribed, which is crazy, or like 86. It's crazy. So hit the subscribe button right now before we get the video started. There you go. Got it? You did it? All right, let's go. So first thing I do, guys, I start off with soap. I always start off with soap. And I will say this, I have lately now been going to the self-wash. I don't go through the automated anymore because I don't think I can fit with 12 rods. Could be wrong, but I'm scared to risk it. I don't want to scratch my wheels here, so I just kind of do it myself now. It's a pain in the butt, don't get me wrong, but it is what it is. Actually, I start with a rinse first, and then soap. Yeah, so first let's start with the rinse. All right, guys, I will say, you know, I've been using that Suma ceramic coat. Those are some pretty big beads. Those are some real big beads. So I definitely say this stuff is working, guys. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, I've dropped a link right there in the video for a card, or go watch the description, but it's definitely beading up. Big beads, so that means it's working. So next, we'll add some soap. Okay, guys, so I'm all done with the wash. That's really it. I wash with water, wash with soap, and then I rinse again with just water. I don't do the constant. Okay, I hear you over there. I don't do the brush anymore. A lot of y'all said that touch scratches your paint, messes it up. So I just do that now. I'm now about to get ready to wash it. So here's the product I use. Let me show y'all instead of explaining as I go. So Hot Rod. This is how my truck shines. Hot Rod Protective Detailer Spray. Some of the best I've ever used, man. Found it for a guy at the car wash actually told me about it. So I use that at the very end to kind of protect your car. So you wash it off dry, spray that on there at the end. Then I got the Meguiar's Hot Shine. This is for my tires. You get that golf black look. I don't use the foam anymore. I found that the wet is better. Bare Bones Undercarriage Spray. I did a video on this. Y'all haven't, go check it out. So I am going to a show, meet tomorrow. I'm actually going to spray that to blacken out the undercarriage. I'll show y'all there. And then here is actually for my wheels. Got this from Custom Offsets. It's part of that package. It's ceramic refresh spray. So I do use it to spray my wheels and wipe it off. It's just spray on, spray off. And then here's a Suma ceramic spray that y'all saw me use in another video. I bought that out because currently it is applied to the vehicle. So I did just want to show y'all that it's on there right now, but I'm not using that today, but I did use it last time I washed the truck. So that's it, and that's all I do. That's all the products I use. I don't use too much. I almost didn't want to make this video because I know a lot of people have very strong opinions about which product they use to wash their vehicle. It's a very like debatable topic. So I almost didn't want to do this one because people are like, oh man, use this, use this. I mean, and it's cool to have the recommendations, but sometimes people go overboard with it, you know. But anyway, I'm talking, the truck is drying. I don't like to let it dry. I like to wash it before I get water spots. So I always start with my wheels first. So I'm gonna go ahead, I spray the Meguiar's first, and then I'm gonna come back and actually hit the wheels. So here we go. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and clean my wheels, and I use this right here. So if you ever use this type of stuff, whatever it is, you're not supposed to spray it on in direct sunlight and when it's hot outside. So I'm not really in direct sunlight, and it's very cool today. It's like 50 degrees, so it's not hot though. My truck has been in the shade all day, so it's gonna be fine. Use this, and what I use to dry microfiber cloths, I got them from freaking Walmart, guys, for like $4 or something. Actually, this blue one here, my main source of drying, I got this one from like an actual auto parts store. It's a little more expensive, like $12. Supposed to be like a 1 dry towel. But yeah, these little yellow ones I use, these white ones, that's what I use to dry. Just get you a microfiber cloth. That way you don't scratch anything. So yeah, here we go, time to clean the wheels. Just to show y'all, like, look how I usually use two towels to clean my wheels, because look how dirty they get. And just so you know, my wheels are ceramic coated, so it does make it a lot easier to clean them since they are ceramic coated. Those wheels, they look cool, don't get me wrong, but man, having all them spokes in there to clean, bro, it's a pain in the to clean all these spokes, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, they look good, but sheesh, it's a pain to clean all of them. All right, next, just go ahead, dry it off. Towel. Okay guys, I'm going a little out of order here. The truck is completely dry, y'all can see there. I usually then go with the hot rod there and spray it and wipe it down, dry it off again. But actually the sun, losing sunlight, and so I'm gonna go ahead and do my chemical bare bones. And basically you just apply this directly to the areas you want. And so what I'm gonna apply it to is, of course, my wheel well here. I'm gonna apply it to my leaf springs there. I'm gonna apply it up front as well to the wheel well. I'm gonna get the cross member, and I'm also gonna get the rear diff. It just give it a nice black shine. I'm not gonna show y'all that how to do it. You just literally spray, but I did a whole video on that already, guys. So I'll try to put a card right there for y'all, or just go back to the playlist or in the link in the description, it'll be there. So just go back. Last time I had an issue with this bottle, it broke. Hopefully I don't have that issue again, because I do not feel like getting greasy, messy on my hands. So that's the only complaint about this, very greasy. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply that, and then come back and finish with the hot rod. All right, guys, I will say I just used the chemical guys stuff. Now I'm almost out. I almost used the whole bottle. Not sure if I was overspraying. I did find it better with the spray function as opposed to the shooter function, you know, the mist as opposed to the straight shot. I was using that for a while and I realized I probably was wasting. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product, but I just thought it was interesting that I used almost a full bottle, like for real. I don't think I used that much last time, but hey, it is what it is. But now, finish up, last thing, go back, hit it with this hot rod detail spray, guys. Again, you can get this from Amazon. Sometimes your local auto shop may have it. It's hard to find, honestly, but I'm almost out too. So how I usually do it, I maybe spray 2 each panel. So 2 on the rear, 2 on the door, back rear door, front door, 2 on the panel, 2 on the hood. So you just spray 2 sprays and that usually gets it done. People always ask me how I get that pop and shine. Honestly, I think this is the secret sauce, guys. I'm not sure if y'all can tell the difference now since I applied it. But yeah, I think this is the secret sauce. But I'm gonna finish up, go ahead, finish up, show y'all the final product. I do want to show y'all too the wipes I use for my truck. You know what I hate too? You come to the car wash, you wash your truck and all that overspray from other people spraying comes right back to your truck or car. So I probably should move. I'm gonna move over here actually. Let me move because I don't have to vacuum out the interior and nothing like that. So yeah, let me move, all that overspray getting on my truck. All right guys, 2 things that always happen to me, right? Always. 1, water always runs back down my windshield when I move. As soon as I move, water comes right back down. So I have to clean that over. 2, as soon as I get home, for some reason, guess I don't dry my wheels enough. Look at that, water gets right back on my wheels. So I usually know that, so I always have another towel ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Let me show y'all the wipes I use for the interior. Again, I'm not gonna do that today because I just did it like last week actually, or a week or 2 ago. So show y'all the wipes I use. And I did a video on this as well, but they are Meguiar's rich leather all-in-one conditioner, something like that. Y'all can see there you go. Got it from AutoZone. So that's what I use for my wipes for my leather interior, because I do have the cat skins. If you did not know, I got those installed. Next, amp power steps. I just got these, right? I can't figure out how to clean them. I've been using this towel, but little did I know, the amp power step is not a smooth material. It's very rough. So let me just show y'all better than I tell y'all. Now here, like here, it catches. I mean, they're designed that way so you don't slip, but I haven't really figured out how to wash them. So I just do this. you know, right there. I just wash it with the towel. Hopefully it's not tearing my towel up. But yeah, that's so. If you got a comment or tip how to wash your steps, please let me know. I mean, I know I can probably leave them, like, you know, leave them down, like just step on them and it keeps them from going up. But other than that, how do you clean them though, guys? Like, I can't get them black anymore because of, yeah, I don't know how to clean them. So how do you clean your steps? Let me know, I'm curious, because this is kind of ugly. But I'm just using this little towel that's kind of wet, clean it off a little bit, you know. That's the only thing I can think of right now. But you can hear the towel catching. Like, it's not a smooth surface. It is, but it's not good. Yeah, it's kind of rough. It's very rough. So, but that's for purpose, so you won't slip getting in and out. But so yeah, comment below how you clean your amp steps. Okay, guys, and here she is, all cleaned up, finished product, looking pretty good, pretty good. Just so y'all know, I was one of the first ones here, and I'm the last one. Everybody else already gone. That's how long it takes to clean this truck. That's why I hate doing it myself. There it is. That's how you clean it. The grill I just wiped with a towel, nothing special. Yeah, I showed y'all everything, man. That's how she looks. She looking pretty clean, I must say. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So that's how I clean it, guys. Dang, she looked good in person, but I'm telling y'all, them steps make the truck look way taller. Holy crap. So I'll show y'all how the whatchamacallit came out. Look how black and dark it is in there now. Look at that. And I usually just wipe my rough country stuff here with the towel as well. You know, nothing special. Look how black it is now. Show y'all the rear wheel well. Look at that. Super black. It looks so good. Look at the leaf springs. Black. I hit the rear diff as well. Oh yeah. That stuff works really good. It looks really good. I hit the front cross member as well too. See what that looks like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So she is ready for tomorrow, guys. Hopefully I don't run through any freaking water. Like, I got a habit of running through water, in these 12 wires, guys, they fling up water all down the sides. It's a pain in the butt. So most likely I'm gonna have to dry it again when I get home. I'm gonna get out and they're gonna be water spots. Now, only thing I will say, I don't really get to clean my wheels correctly because I actually can't get back up in here. I don't have a device. Like, look at that. See? So that's the benefit of having a house, guys. I'm gonna be able to get in and get down there with a sponge or something clean, because I just don't have time here at a car wash. But at home, if I have my own house, right now I live in an apartment, I'll be able to do that. As far as the plastics, I used to get some stuff for my plastics, like back here, to make them like black, you know, so they like faded. I used to use Mother's Back to Black. My friend Drew put me on that. Very good stuff. I don't have any now, but yeah, so, dang. Looks good, man. This truck just came a long way, guys. Long way. I appreciate y'all for supporting the channel for what, 3 years now. You know, I can't believe I remember trying to make my first video, guys, and like I remember I had 3. I'm like, man, what I'm supposed to do next? Now I'm at like 300 videos, so it's kind of crazy to see the progress. You know, sometimes you gotta clap for yourself, but I appreciate y'all support for sure. But there's definitely some work behind this channel, and I do a lot of work behind it, guys. And I got stuff, I ain't gonna say stuff coming, but you know, I want to take it to the next level. But we'll see. That's another conversation. But anyway, yeah. That's how she looks. Looks pretty dang good, man. She looking good. What y'all think? Come below. Yeah, buddy. But anyway, guys, all I got. That's how I wash it. I mean, you can come below, drop some stuff you use in there, share with each other, man. That's what this channel all about, sharing and learning and growing with each other, man. So put your stuff down there, what you share. Maybe somebody else got a question. You can answer their question. I see guys do it all the time in my comments, and that's, to me, is a positive truck community. That's what I'm all about. None of that negative crap, man. So help each other out, help each other learn, help each other grow. And yeah, but that's red. One more time. Looking pretty good. It's boy Q. I do gotta get the light fixed. I see that, guys. I gotta get that headlight bulb fixed. I do not want to do it. But anyway, that's all I got. It's boy Q. I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.